2024年第18條。A string is tied to a vibrator， 咁 one end 咁另外一 end 就 fix 咗，咁而家呢一個咧就講緊 standing wave 啦，或者叫 stationary wave 啦。咁中文係駐波啦。咁 the figure shows the stationary wave form at 一個 certain frequency 啦。咁 which statement is correct when 個 frequency is double？ 咁咧 A 嗰句佢話 amplitude 會 double， 咁呢個係唔關事嘅，係唔影響你 amplitude 嘅。咁跟住 B 嗰句 wavelength will double。咁咧，我哋要搞清楚一樣嘢，就係你個 wave speed 咧係唔會變嘅，係 depends on 你個 source 嘅，係 depends on 你條繩用咩材料之類嘅嘢啦。咁所以咧 left hand side 就 suppose 係一個 constant 嚟嘅。咁當你個 frequency double 咗嘅話咧，你個 wavelength 咧好自然就要降低㗎啦。咁所以 B 嗰句都錯嘅。咁 C 咧頭先我哋解釋咗啦 ，wave speed 應該係一個 constant 嚟嘅。咁所以答案就係 dot 啊。點解咧？我哋就可以諗清楚啦。一個 wave suppose 係咁樣啦，我哋咧就可以好完美咁分到4格出嚟嘅。咁當你而家 frequency double 咗嘅話咧，即係你 wavelength 切一半啦，即係你由同樣呢一段嘅距離，而家就可以砌到一個完整嘅 wave 出嚟。咁我哋留意翻 x 同 y 佢哋各自嘅位置啦，喺依度同埋依度。咁我哋對應翻，即係依個位咯，同埋依個位。咁我哋 point 翻上去，一個喺度，另外一個都係喺依度。咁佢哋而家係咪 in phase 咧？絕對係，因為佢哋而家佢哋兩個都係喺上面噶嘛。雙輪嘅咧就一定 anti phase， 咁雙輪嘅雙輪咧咁就一定係 in phase 噶啦。咁呢個 in phase 啱嘅。